Hey, it's another day with May where I create healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. If you like what you see here, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me and help me grow. All right, today we are making healthy crackers. All right, let's check out our ingredients. All right, first step, you need to preheat your oven to 100 degrees Celsius, and then you need to make the cracker dough. So let's go ahead and do that now. First step, we're going to add in our flaxseed meal, followed by our almond meal, followed by your spices. That includes the garlic powder, rosemary, paprika, and onion powder. Then add in your egg white. And last but not least, your melted butter. Then you're going to stir that up. Now, if the dough is too watery, add in more flour. And if it is too grainy, add a little bit of water in. It will help come together. It needs to be a dough consistency, so make sure you'll be able to handle it. We have our ball of dough. Now it's time to place it on some parchment paper. Lay another piece of parchment paper on top and roll it out with a rolling pin, or if you don't have a rolling pin, a bottle of wine or something. So you can choose the thickness of your cracker. You can have them thick or thin. I like mine thin, so that's how I'm going to do it today. Keep in mind that these don't rise, so whatever thickness you want, make sure you roll it out exactly that way, because that's how it will bake. All right, now that that is done, we are going to take the parchment paper off the top. And then we are going to cut the crackers out to your desired size. All right, and last step before we put them in the oven, we have to place them on our tray. So go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna sprinkle just a little bit of flaky sea salt or whatever salt you have on top for that salty crunch. Now for the last step before we put them in the oven, we need to place them on our tray and sprinkle some sea salt on top. And done! Look how good they look, but let's see how they taste. Super crispy, perfect flavor. It has that really nice rosemary taste, but it's not overpowering. You can still taste that garlic and that onion. Perfect on its own, or you could enjoy it with some cheese. All right, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.